Hello guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how to change the ownership of files, documents and folders stored in your Google Drive. For instance, if you'd like to transfer the ownership to one of your contacts or friends. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Alright, so in the first step, head over to your Google Drive account, make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google/Gmail account. And let's say I would like to change the ownership of that file here. So all you need to do, guys, is select the item with your right mouse, and after that choose share or hover your mouse over share, and after that click on share here or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-A on your keyboard, and that is going to redirect you to that window here. So what you want to do in the next step, guys, is make the new owner an editor with access to the given file. First, to do that, use the search bar or text box here where it says add people, groups and calendar events, and enter the email address of the contact you would like to transfer the ownership to. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, make sure that you switch here to the right from viewer to editor to grant the given contact editor rights. And that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on done here. So in the final step, guys, what you want to do is right click on the shared file again, but in this case, don't type the email address of the contact here again. Instead, you will see the email address of the given user listed below. So what you want to do, guys, is click on that arrow icon here next to editor and select transfer ownership from that drop down menu here. And that's it. Your contact then will be notified via email and will be invited to become the new owner of the given file or folder or item. And if they accept the invitation, the ownership will be automatically transferred to the given user. And that's all to it, guys. I hope this video was helpful and we'll catch you later.